Hello friends, today I'm going to show you all how to make red amaranthus amti, that is lal bhaji. You have to take more than half of grated coconut, a little bit more than half grated coconut, 1 inch tamarind and ghati and bedgi chilies, 4 each. That is the plain ones and the crooked ones, 4 each. And you have to grind this into a fine paste like this. On the other hand, you need to finely chop, wash and finely chop the red bhaji. And add little bit of salt and about 1.5 glass of water and boil it. Mix this and boil it. Close the lid and let it boil. After 2 minutes you can see how the leaves are leaving the color, and this is very good in iron content, and it's a very healthy vegetable. And this amti turns out very nice, and you can eat it with rice or even with chapatis. And now you are adding, once the bhaji is boiled, the vegetables are boiled, then you can add the ground masala to this. It should not be very thin, it should not be very thick. It should be of a consistency which you can eat with rice. Now allow this to boil again for another 6-7 minutes. Add salt. Always taste and add salt. And like I had given you all a tip, if your curry is bubbling everywhere equally, that means it has the right amount of salt in it. So when the curry starts bubbling at its peak, you should check if it's bubbling everywhere. Now let this boil for say 6 to 7 minutes. Now the curry has started boiling. Do not leave it unattended. Keep on stirring it at intervals. I am taking garlic and I am going to give it a little bit of smash, because if you put a full garlic into oil, it might just break and splutter out of the oil. So I always mash the garlic and I put for seasoning. Now I do this with all the garlic. I have taken at least 12 to 13 pods of garlic here. Now the curry has started bubbling, and you can see it's bubbling equally everywhere. Now in a pan, take 1.5 tablespoon of oil and add the garlic pods to this. Now fry this till it becomes dark brown. This is for seasoning the curry. Started browning now. When it's completely nice dark brown, I will add this to the curry, and the curry is ready to eat. Serve it with hot rice. It goes well even with boiled rice. And this curry base can be used with many other vegetables also, like kacha kela, sambar sautekai. I'm adding the seasoning to the curry, and I'll close the lid. And when I'm about to serve, I'll mix it. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.